Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Mozilla has announced that they will eventually have AI into their browser. Now, we learned, of course, a lot about there's so much about AI happening everywhere. And most browsers are getting into it. Google Chrome, with Google trying to get its Gemini AI and the search and all of that into the browser too. Of course, Copilot is everywhere with Windows and on its different products and services, including, of course, Microsoft Edge. And many browsers have come out, Chromium-based browsers with their own little AI thing. But what's interesting about Firefox is they said it ain't for now, because they don't want to have a gadget AI. They don't want to have AI just to have AI. They want it to really be useful on your PC. So right now, the Firefox browser, if you look at its version number, is at version 126. They're planning to have the first AI in the browser that should be there to help you in browsing the web, keeping you secure. Also, they want to have that AI to protect you and giving you suggestions of maybe you shouldn't do this or that. They want it to be very useful, and they say that the first AI might be, if all goes well, in version 130. So that's later this year. We're at 126. We have roughly a new version every month. So version 130 would bring us to, so it'll be 127 in June, 128 in July, 129 in August, around September. So through the fall, we might start seeing some AI go through the Firefox browser. So this is going to be interesting to see. And it's nice to see that they're taking it in a different direction, saying, we're not jumping on the AI bandwagon, going crazy right now with it. Let's work. Let's find one AI feature. Let's find it how it could be useful and take the time to develop it for the browser itself. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.